Get your pencils and paints ready because in this video we will be illustrating some fun fashion portraits together. Oh, and today's video sponsor is Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is one of my absolute favorite jewelry brands, and I'm thrilled to unbox a few pieces and share them with you. What sets them apart is their commitment to being carbon neutral from their packaging to their products. This brand genuinely cares about the planet. What I love most about Ana Luisa is their reputation for creating long-lasting, tarnish-resistant jewelry. I've worn several of their pieces all day, even in the shower, and they still look as perfect as the day I got them. And the best part? They are high quality and affordable. Their designs are both elegant and beautiful, adding just the right touch of sparkle to any occasion. I have included a link to their website in the description box. Definitely check them out. I'm happy to finally get a chance to post a YouTube video this month. I skipped posting last month because I was so busy. I'll tell you more why soon, but first let's water my plants. I always joke that I don't have kids, but I have a ton of plant babies. I upgraded the pots of some of my indoor plants and I even added one new plant. If you've been following me for a while, you know that most of my plants are propagated from friends. So the main reason I didn't have time to upload a YouTube video last month was because I was busy with launching a new art class on illustrating people. My new art class is filled with lessons on how to illustrate mini people to full-sized people. We also practice stylizing faces and illustrating fashionable people portraits. My goal was to help anyone who struggles with illustrating people get over that fear and find their style. And I'm so happy to hear that most of my students are overcoming their hesitations and falling in love with drawing people now. Now let's illustrate some fun fashion portraits together. As usual, I'll be using gouache paint and colored pencils. I'll be referencing these 4 images that I found on Pinterest from fashion editorials. These references are also linked in the description box below. I'll be using a brown Faber-Castell watercolor pencil for my underdrawing. Since I'll be painting over it, the watercolor pencil will blend into the paint. I usually don't use such a dark pencil for my underdrawings, but since I wanted this to show up on camera, I decided to use this one. I'm just doing some simple sketching here for a basic composition and to get an idea where I want to paint. I'm just spraying my paint palette with some water to re-wet the gouache paint. These skin colors were mixed in the art class, and the formulas are also in my color recipes book if you need help with mixing colors. Let's paint in the skin tones and hair of our ladies first. By the way, all the supplies I use are listed in the description box below. You'll see me jumping around the page to paint while the other parts of my page is drying. After all the paint is completely dry, it's time for some colored pencil details. I feel like this is my favorite part when illustrating people. I love to use colored pencils to make out the person's facial features. All right, now I'm just adding the finishing touches. And here are the 4 portraits we illustrated together. If you'd like to learn more about illustrating people, then join my Illustrative People art class, where I share guidelines and assignments that will help you practice and develop your art skills. And don't forget to pop over to Ana Luisa and pick out your next favorite sparkle.
Alright, I really hope you enjoyed illustrating with me, and if you did, then consider taking one of my art classes. They're linked below, and in the upcoming months, I hope to release even more classes. Anyways, thanks for watching again. I'll catch you next time.